Can I just be honest with y'all? I absolutely love what I do for a living because I get to show you these new RVs that are coming. This is a 2025 new RV floor plan that we are just now getting a look at for the first time. And man, what a cool time to be taking a look at RVs because this is just so different than anything else I've seen in the 5 years of me filming RVs. So let's go take a look. Welcome back to another video, y'all. If you're new here, my name is Myles with Firmly Unbound, and we are here getting a first look at the 2025 Forest River No Boundaries RVSuite 3. Now, I know it says Ibex on the side. Ibex and No Boundaries are actually both the same thing. However, they have slightly different looks, and this is actually specifically the RVS3. And I am here with Blue Compass RV, and Blue Compass RV actually does not sell the Ibex products. They sell the No Boundaries products. Again, same thing. They just have two different brands that are sister products that they put the same, or they build the same floor plans as one another. They just put different names on the outside and different exterior looks. So although this one is the Ibex exterior, all of the interior will look the same, but the outside will look more like this on the No Boundaries version. So unfortunately, I just did not have the No Boundaries version of this RVSuite to look at here. But if you are interested in this RV, there will be a link down below in the comments and description where you can find these RVs. I actually saw we already have a 2025 model of this on our website that should be coming any day now. So that's pretty exciting. And again, it is going to be the No Boundaries RVS3 RVSuite model. So that's something to go take a look at there. Link is down below in the comments and description if you are interested in this RV. And again, at Blue Compass, we have over 100 different stores in 33 different states, so lots of different areas we can help you out. Now, real quick, before we step inside, you have this patio off the back. Really cool. It has more of like almost a residential looking style roof. You can see it's slanting down to the side a little bit there to allow things to run off and giving you a flat roof along the top. And then it's going to have a very boxed off squared look. So this is more of like a destination style trailer. Obviously, you can tow this thing, but pretty much designed to be more set in a spot for a longer duration of time or set permanently as a home away from home. Now, as we step in through the back patio, this gate will open up here. It's just magnets that hold that in place. Step up onto the patio. You have some lights up here to light up the space. Put some chairs out here. You have outlets outside and just a great spot to hang out. Now, from inside the RV, the patio will enter into the bedroom where you have, this looks like a queen size bed. That looks like that is a residential queen size bed. Sitting nicely in this space. You can see how tall the ceilings are. I mean, it is just huge in here. Using the LED light strips, you have your AC in here. It is a ducted AC, has a 32-inch screen TV already installed in the bedroom. And then you have this really nice tabletop space. Could put another TV here, I guess, if you want. Don't really need to, though. And you can use this as a spot to work. You have your fireplace for an electric heat source for you. Drawers that pull out for additional storage. And you can see they're using like a traditional plywood style drawer construction there. Storage space down underneath here. And then turning around this way, you have these screen doors. They don't install these till they get to the dealership. And then you have a spot there to hang some coats and whatnot. USB ports on both sides of the bed. You have storage up above the bed. You have pull down blackout shades on all of your windows, individual reading lights above each individual, and another USB port here. Lift this up, storage underneath the bed, strut assisted to get to that storage, and some additional chairs for in the dining area. So that is everything here in the bedroom. Really nice space. Because the bed sits in a slide out, you get all this floor space here. See how just bright it is with all the windows. You have massive window here, and just love it. It is really, really clean looking. You have a dining chair that, or not a dining chair, a, you know, kind of like a desk chair that folds up that it will come with here. And then as we step into the living room area, you have a L-shaped sofa. The sofa will also convert into a bed. So yeah, you can see these cushions will come off, and I haven't messed with this too much, honestly, just because it's so dang hot out here and there's no AC on in these RVs. It's 92 degrees inside this RV, and I'm trying so hard not to sweat, but it's nearly impossible. But this will make into a bed here. So you have that sleeping arrangement. You have basically like an island style kitchen, but then it drops down to also kind of double as a table. So I think those chairs underneath the bed would go in this space right here. I haven't seen the chair set up yet though, so I can't confirm. You have a huge 65-inch screen TV you can see sitting here on the sofa. That massive 65-inch screen TV. Put the curtains down on the windows behind you and you won't have that glare, as they are the blackout curtains. Massive storage through here, height adjustable shelving, so it can use this as a pantry for most people, I would imagine. And then that is a smart TV. You have windows all the way around, letting in a ton of natural light. Nice spot to store things right here, or just use it as a decor spot. Ceiling fan in here, another AC here in the living room, and then you have a little bit of storage around your fireplace area. I can tell these are a wrapped cabinet door, so these are not a solid wood cabinet door. It's a wood that's wrapped, and not like the most preferred ever, but that is going to keep it at a little bit lower price point on something like this. I did see it looked like the MSRP on the 2025 that we have coming in that I could see on our website is around $90,000. So I would imagine this is going to sell probably somewhere in the $70,000 range is what I'm figuring on something like this. I would imagine where it's probably going to fall. Again, solid surface countertops here, love that. Outlets, USB ports, that is a USB Type-C connection in that middle portion there. And then you have your stainless steel sink, storage underneath here. It is not equipped for a washer and dryer as most, or not a washer dryer, it has a dishwasher as most RVs are not. So nothing I can see there equipping that for potential dishwasher. You have USB ports here, so see those here. You can see how each one's going to have a standard USB Type A and a USB Type C plug. Outlets here. And again, showing you these pull down windows or blackout shades on the windows. Nice balances that go around that keep any excess light from bleeding through. I like how sleek those look, but still effectively doing their job. And then actually, you know what? I just looked up here and there are no curtains on these windows. So that's kind of interesting. That's something I would probably want to install myself. Some mini curtains or blinds or something, just to have the ability to block out the light when necessary, when you want to. You have an induction cooktop here, lots of ceiling height here in this space, or just, you know, a lot of openness to this. You have a convection oven or air fryer combo here. So no traditional standard oven in, you know, basically replacing it with that, freeing up some space so you don't have to have a microwave. You have your 3 drawers that pull out here, and then, or 4 drawers, sorry, and then a drawer underneath the oven. And I love the refrigerators that come in here. They have gold handles on them with the white door. It has a much more traditional look. I don't know what time period this look kind of came about, but just love it. I think it's such a cool fridge. This RV in general just has some of the most character that you will see out of any RV out there in the market. So very curious your thoughts on what you think about it, because it is definitely a bold, bold RV with a lot of different color tones and things than what we normally see in a lot of RVs. Ceiling fan up in this area. You have a vent fan right there as well. That is a max air vent fan. And then as we go back into the bathroom, again, another area that I just love. You have your Power Pro system right here, so you can actually talk to this and it will do different things for you, like turning on and off the lights, the ACs, things like that. You also have a tutorial here on how to use it, and all of your controls for this RV will be right here. Looks like you have a gas and electric water heater, and this will connect to your phone via Bluetooth as well. I was looking to see if there were 12-volt heat pads on the water tanks. Oh, here they are right here. Yeah, here's your 12-volt heat pads on the water tanks right there. A little bit of storage right here. You also have your central vac system underneath it. So you can see right here. And yeah, the floor sweep area right there. Going into the bathroom, first thing, you have a washer dryer combo unit right there. So you can see that's the largest capacity washer dryer combo unit according to that little decal right there from Contour. Height adjustable shelving, and you do have a clothing rod in there that is lit up. Turn back around this way. Love the cabinetry color in here. It's like a very soft green color. And you have 2 bowl sinks. No designated mirrors here in this area, so that's kind of an interesting take. Instead, they're giving you the windows, so you have more natural lighting coming in. Nice light fixtures. This is a warm light tone. These are a cool light tone, so those kind of clash well. And then you have a spot here you can put toothbrushes, soaps, and hang a towel. More spots here to hang things. Nice wallpaper design there. Again, just character everywhere inside of this RV. Storage space down through here, and through there. Same thing as the other side, and then more storage along here. Definitely not skimping out on any storage in the bathroom. There is storage all over the place. Plus you have a window up front here. This is covered by a screen right now on the outside that would protect it to tow it down the road, but that will be another window there. Has more of a residential style toilet, so about the same size as a residential toilet seat. Has an actual solid toilet lid, not just a plastic lid, and then you have your shower here. Great height in the shower. It seems like they didn't have other places to store some of the accessories for this RV though, so not a whole lot of room to step up in there. But show you here, you have a shower for your lower body, shower for the middle of your body, the wand, and a overhead shower head. And if I step in here in the limited space that I have, well, you can see I'm 6'2", and I have about 2 more inches, so you could probably be about 6'4" and fit into that shower there. Then as we go back up this way, oh, also notice you have a big mirror here on this door. So you do have basically a full body mirror with that. Come back out this way and you go up the spiral staircase to a loft that grown adults can easily fit into, as it is huge up here. Outlets and USB ports back in the corner, and plenty of height in here for a grown adult to crawl around on all fours. So love this space. This is a absolutely killer area for some kids to hang out. You can see dimmer light switches in that back corner back there, and a little cubby storage area. So just absolutely love that. That is a really nice area for some kids, or just a spot for storage if you need it. And that is just about everything on the inside, y'all. So curious your thoughts and what you think. Let's go through the outside real quick and take a look at some stuff out here. You can see you have your MORRIDE safety rail going in and out of the RV. Again, the ones that we carry will have this no boundaries exterior package on it that's a little bit different color than the white. Has a drop frame down underneath here, so that's what's giving you the height in the bathroom while still maintaining height in that loft. And then they have the Lippert quick drop stabilizers here, which are a very good stabilizer system. Certainly one of the best that we're seeing in 2025. All frameless windows. You have a light out here on this side, awning that covers most of, or about half the space on this side of the RV. Come along this way, you have a Schwintek slide mechanism on your bedroom slide out. Let's see how much room I have coming around this way. Oh yeah, we're good. Storage space down underneath here, underneath the bed. Got that storage there. And then you have frameless windows again, your 50 amp power connection right here on this side. And down underneath here, spot to store your sewer hose right there. And you can see your tanks will dump over here on this side. Has a standard leaf spring suspension. And your tires are a 225/75 R15 tire. Going up this way, last couple little things. Look at the exact specs on this unit. It is 40 feet even, and it is 11,540 pounds without anything in it. And it has a cargo carrying capacity of, wait a minute, this don't make no sense. There's no way this is it, because this right here says 160 pounds. And there's just no way that is it. So I don't know where the cargo carrying capacity is. There is no way it's 160 pounds. That would be absolutely insane. You couldn't put anything in it whatsoever. So I don't think that is it. But the sticker that normally has that actual metric on it, I don't know where it's at. Storage space underneath here. It looks like this is also where your battery will go. And this is a metal box up front that will snap closed. Power tongue jack up front, and then again, this is your cover for going down the road so it just doesn't, rocks don't do damage to this front end of the RV. So this is the new 2025 Forest River No Boundaries RVS3. Very curious your thoughts on what you think down below in the comments. And then again, if you are interested in this RV, you can find the link down below in the comments and description where you can find locations across Blue Compass's network where you can find this RV. And we're here to help when you're ready. So that's all I got for y'all. Appreciate y'all watching, and until next time, live firmly unbound.